At the facility, we maintain the highest standards. These monitoring forms ensure the health of every crocodile.
Central monitoring, this is post 4.
Good morning, everyone.
Ready for the feeding today?
Yes, the big
Palpation.
Batch 7 gharial skulls. Are these ready for drying?
Yes, sir. Just finished the count.
The feed rate is consistent. Check the mill temperature.
Reading stable. We are clear for continuous run.
The particle size distribution on batch 4B looks slightly off spec.
Let me check the calibration logs for the 2300 series.
Samples are extracted from the top, middle, and bottom positions using a sampling thief. The results confirm adequate blending.
This crocodile bone powder is excellent for joint pain. Take it twice a day.
How long before I notice a difference?
I've been feeling quite fatigued and stressed lately. I see.
This blend will help calm your spirit and improve your energy.
This crocodile bone extract is excellent for joint health.
Supported by both traditional use and modern research.
What is the recommended dosage for this?
Here is your traditional medicine, sir. Take one daily as discussed.
Thank you. I appreciate the help.
Welcome to the clinic. The doctor will be with you shortly. Please make yourself comfortable.
We have several options. This pamphlet discusses...
Are these crocodile bone supplements?
Are these traditional remedies really effective for my knee pain?
As you can see here, the clinical studies on the crocodile bone extract show significant benefits for joint health.
Excellent hatch rate, this clutch.
Yes, they look very healthy. We should start the transfer soon.
These diversity indexes are crucial for the breeding program optimization.
Yes, we can trace the lineage markers back 3 generations now.
The system is operating at peak efficiency, well above the baseline.
And the water quality metrics look excellent across the board.
We prioritize sustainable practices, utilizing advanced filtration to recycle the water, as the sign mentions.
And what are the...
These artifacts show the history, but the real work happens upstairs.
Yes, validating these uses is key to our credibility.
Undoubtedly.
The clinical data clearly shows significant efficacy for joint health applications, validating the positive outcomes we observe.
As you can see in Figure 2, the data clearly shows a statistically significant improvement in joint health markers. This validates the therapeutic use.
As you can see from the data on the screen, the growth potential is significant.
This model offers a 20% efficiency gain.
And what is the lead time for orders over 10,000 units?
We can guarantee shipment within 6 weeks.
Confirming temperature on Unit 4.
Solid green. Proceeding with loading.
Our research confirms the efficacy of crocodile bone extract in tissue regeneration. This integrates control.
In conclusion, the clinical evidence strongly supports the therapeutic application of the extract. We can
now open the floor for questions.
The key finding here is the immunomodulatory effect of the crocodile bone extract. This leads directly to the clinical recommendations for dosage.
Central monitoring, this is post 4. Perimeter secure, all gates locked.
Over.
Good morning, everyone.
Ready for the feeding today?
Yes, the big ones are already waiting.
Ensure the new settings are locked in on line 3. We need to prioritize the pediatric order this morning.
Your pulse indicates stagnation. We will use this crocodile bone powder for your knees.
Will it help with the morning stiffness?
Yes, take it twice daily with warm water.
Thank you, doctor. My life has truly changed since I started this treatment.
It is wonderful to see you walking so easily.
The mass spectrometry data is conclusive.
So the traditional preparation method enhances bioavailability.
This is excellent news for the new formulation.
These peaks correlate directly with the anti-inflammatory markers. This explains the traditional uses.
Yes, the standardization data looks robust.
Look at this peak. The biological activity is significant.
It fully supports the product claims and validates the traditional approach.
Birds. The data clearly shows a significant increase in collagen production, demonstrating the positive effects on joint cells.
Did you control for...
The data on the crocodile bone extract is promising, but we must consider the regulatory framework for market access.
Your commitment to sustainable crocodile farming is truly commendable. Congratulations.
Thank you. This means a great deal to the whole team.
I can finally move without any pain. It's wonderful.
We are seeing remarkable results globally.
I finally have my life back.
The treatment truly worked wonders for me.
I am so grateful for this second chance.
From ancient wisdom to pharmaceutical-grade production.
The production continues serving global needs. The farm is both beginning and end of the story. The documentary has come full circle.